Hello all math enthusiasts and welcome to my math lab. Today's discussion is geometry, and in the specific branch of geometry we're going to be discussing supplementary and complementary angles. So let's just jump right in. Alright, so the basic needed knowledge is supplementary angles. The term is either of two angles whose sum is 180 degrees. Example. So you can see here that the straight line here, or 180 degrees, is 120 degrees here and 60 degrees here. So we have two angles that sum to 180 degrees. If 120 degrees and 60 degrees make a straight line, then it is supplementary, or the sum of 180 degrees. Extra knowledge. If you have two 90-degree angles, it is mathematically considered perpendicular. As you can see here, we have another 180-degree line here with two angles that sum to 180 degrees, which is two right angles. 90 degrees here, 90 degrees here. If you see the term complementary, it refers to two angles that sum to 90 degrees. Alright, so let's review the problem given to us. Marie created the circular window represented below. She knew that angle 1 and angle 2 were supplementary, and that angle 1 is congruent to angle 3 because they were vertical angles. What must be true about angle 2 and angle 3? Let's review the answer choices. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. Well, we can't assume that two angles are congruent because we have to look at the given information to us, and it says here according to the given information it's not, because it says here angle 1 and angle 2 were supplementary, so these two equal 180 degrees, and angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. So these two are the same. So these two have to be 180 degrees. 2 and 3 have to be 180 degrees. So that's out. B. Angle 2 is complementary to angle 3. That's also wrong because angle 2 is summing to 90 degrees. Angle 2 and 3, angle 2 and 3. And we previously mentioned that they're both 180 degrees as well. So that's out as well. C. Angle 2 is supplementary to angle 3. As we all know, this is a possible choice because once again, we discussed that angle 2 and 3 were supplementary given to the information in the question and the pre-questions. D. Well, we're gonna keep going. D. Angle 2 and angle 3 were both right angles. Again, we don't have this indicator. Basically, this indicator here indicates that it's 90 degrees, so we don't have that, and also it's not given. So angle 2 and 3 are not right angles, or they can be, but it's not given to us. So the answer choice has to be C because angle 2 are supplementary to angle 3. So this has to be obvious. So yeah, hopefully you learned something, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next video.